Hello students, welcome to virtual classroom. This is video number 7 of chapter number 3 and this is the last video of this chapter. So today we'll study genetic disorders. In genetic disorders, we are supposed to study thalassemia, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Thalassemia is Mendelian disorder, while Down syndrome is chromosomal disorder. And the next two, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndromes, they are sex chromosomal abnormalities. So all four types we will study now. First come to thalassemia. Thalassemia, it is an autosomal recessive blood disease and the genetic defect results in reduced rate of synthesis of one of the globin chain of hemoglobin. So reduced synthesis of the globin chains can cause the formation of abnormal hemoglobin and thus causes anemia. So basically thalassemia is a group of autosomal recessive disorder characterized by decreased synthesis of either alpha or beta chain of hemoglobin, that is HbA, which is normal. Hemoglobin is a conjugated protein and consists of A and B chains, and each chain consists of alpha and beta subunits. So beta and alpha thalassemia is caused by deficient synthesis of beta and alpha subunit respectively. The alpha globin chain is coded by gene on chromosome 16 and the gene for beta globin chain is located on chromosome number 11. So it results in deficiency of one of the chain and the relative excess of the other chain. So either alpha chain will be synthesizes more or beta will be more, or then either of will synthesize in less amount. So clinically we can see a person suffers from anemic condition. And you can see jaundice also, then variation in size and shape of the RBCs can also be seen. So massive blood transfusion is needed. Massive blood transfusion, the need to transfuse 1 or 2 times the patient's normal blood volume. And in a normal adult, that this is equivalent to 10 to 20 units. So thalassemia is a quantitative abnormality of polypeptide globin chain synthesis. It is quantitative abnormality of polypeptide means protein. Which protein? Globin chain synthesis. So again we have here alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. In case of alpha thalassemia, there is deletion of alpha globin chain and symptoms can begin in fetal life. So it is a complicated inheritance abnormality. While beta thalassemia is nonsense or splice and frame shift mutation in beta globin chain. So this results because of the one of the type of this mutation, nonsense splice or frame shift in beta globin chain. And here symptoms begin in infancy, that is a childhood. So this is simple autosomal recessive inheritance. Next is Down syndrome. Down syndrome, it is trisomy of 21 chromosome, means extra chromosome on 21st chromosome. See, you can see in the figure with red mark. 3 chromosomes are there in case of 21 chromosome, 21 number chromosome. So, appearance of different types of symptoms are called syndrome. Syndrome means appearance of different types of symptoms. And this disease is caused by aneuploidy, which means addition or deletion of 1 or 2 chromosomes in diploid chromosome number. So Down syndrome is due to an extra chromosome number 21, and it shows presence of 3 copies of 21 chromosome instead of homologous pairs. So it is called as trisomy for 21st chromosome. Why this happens? It is due to failure of separation of chromosome or non-disjunction during meiosis. So during meiosis, these chromosomes, they don't separate. And the occurrence of an extra chromosome in diploid chromosome number is called trisomy. So it is represented as 2n, that is diploid number plus 1, trisomy. Symptoms, we can see mental retardation. Then most children show typical facial features with fold of skin over the inner corner of the eye, and this results in downward slanting of eyelids. Their eyelids, they are slanting downwards. The face is usually typically flat with rounded flat nose, mouth open and tongue protruding outside. So due to poor skeleton development, they have short stature and relatively small skull. So their skull is also small, while flat hand with characteristic crease we can see, which runs all the way across the palm. So these are the symptoms. Main symptoms is what? Mental retardation. These children, they are not normal. Next is Turner syndrome. It is monosomy of X chromosome. So Turner syndrome, normally a girl inherits 1 chromosome from her mother and 1 X chromosome from her father. But girls who have Turner syndrome, they are missing one of their X chromosome. So this is caused because of non-disjunction. Non-disjunction happens when a pair of sex chromosome fails to separate during the formation of a sperm or egg. So here you can see symptoms: hyperthyroidism, then white chest, infertility, numerous moles on the body, problems in the limb system, then low seat ears, small jawbones, short and wide neck, then there may be chances of cardiac problems, swollen hands and feet. So these phenotypes, they are seen in females. Their neck is also web-like and with low posture hairline. And in case of females, then secondary sexual characteristics, they don't or they do not develop. Now next is Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome, it is again a chromosomal disorder. You can say sex chromosomal disorder. and caused due to an extra sex chromosome. Extra sex chromosome. Here you can see XXY. So the genotype is XXY instead of XY. So they are sometimes called as feminized males. They are feminized males. This extra chromosome arises as a result of, again, non-disjunction of X chromosome during meiosis. This change in number of chromosome is due to non-disjunction and may occur during gamete formation. Symptoms can be seen as the patient, they are tall and thin with normal intelligence, enlarged breast, and they are sterile. Testes are very small. Therefore, spermatogenesis is absent. Sperm formation does not take place. So these are the all symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome. So this is for all about today's topic. With this we have completed chapter number 3. I hope you have understood all my topics. Please go through again and again. Prepare your notes. After watching video, refer your textbook PDF. Okay then. Thank you children. Goodbye. Take care.